these little towns, unincorporated towns, and I think this might be one of them. Bruner, maybe? It used to be a town, and then, you know, it just kind of died off. Like that, we got an old house, like a church. So I think that this is a little community called Bruner, maybe. And then there's another one called Elkhead. Oh, what is that? Oh no. Oh, Sparta fire station there. Oh, this must be the little town here. Or back there. I didn't see any old buildings, but it's hard to see when you're driving. You see anything, brother?
I see nothing. I was looking for it.
And a fire department back there, so it's probably an old community. Highway 14. Quarter mile. Oh, there's the cemetery. Bruner. Yep, this is it. Bruner Cemetery. And there's a guy right on my back. Here it is. Bruner. Bruner. And here we go. Look at that post office. All right, well, there we go. There is the Bruner post office here in Bruner, Missouri. Very cute. Wow. There it is. Oh, there's a, looks like an old church over there. Little tiny town. Small town America. All right, well, here we go. Yeah, that is an old church. Nope, I was wrong. It's an old school. Look at that, 1910, Bruner School. Wow, look how nice that is. Look at that old school. Boy, they've taken great care of it. Mesh on the windows. Very nice. They even have like a little shed back there. That's so awesome. This old tree. It's been around a while. See, is that where they would put their bicycles? Also with my trees, but is that an oak tree? Oh, it's beautiful. Been around a while. Isn't that nice, brother? Look how they've taken such great care of it.
Hold it for a second. You're
There's the old outhouse over there. There are 2 doors. So it's a 2-room classroom. Probably for the younger kids and then the older kids. It's so cool. All right, well, that's Bruner. You must have events here or something. They have handicap parking. Oh, it's so nice. Let's go see if we can peek in there. I peeked in there. You can't really see through the camera, but looks like a open space, big open space with a few tables. So I think they must have like an event center here. It's really cool. Cool old outhouse. Looks like it's seen better days, and leaning to the right there. Right, well, there's Bruner School, established 1910, and there's that beautiful old tree. I'm going to call that an oak tree. I don't just have a feeling. Beautiful like an oak tree. Alright, so that's Bruner, Missouri. What a nice surprise. I first thought that was... There's the post office, so that's the school, so this is the main part of the town. First I thought it was a church. It might have been used as a church at one time. Boy, they've taken really good care of it, haven't they? That old barn over there. I want to go that way, but we don't have a lot of time, so we're going to get bare bones. And look at this. Bruner, Missouri. Gotta get some chips. Be back. Alright, well, this is a little bit more about the Dollar General. We did get some ruffles, so very thankful. Onward to Elkhead, Missouri on Highway 14 on October 5th, 2025 in beautiful Missouri. See ya in Elkhead. Is this Elkhead? There's a lot going on here. Is that a church up there, brother? Oh, it sure is. That's an old one, too. There it is. Does that say Elkhead? That's an oldie. We're still Bruner Baptist Church. Wow. So all this is Bruner.